What's up everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video. So meron tayong ire-react ngayon at itong singer na si Jude Albert daw ang nakaagaw sa trono ni Lucky sa pagiging daily winner, defending champion. Okay? So siya daw ngayon ang defending champion at napakaganda daw ng pagkakanta niya ng kanta ni Sam Smith na I'm not the only one. You and me, we made a vow. For better or for worse. I love that song. Anyway, so if bagong ay dito, don't forget to subscribe. And you can follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So I can't wait. So panoorin na po natin ang performance ni Jude Albert.
You and me, we made a vow.
Ooh.
For better or for worse. I can't believe you let me down, but the proof's in the way it hurts. For months on end I've had my doubts.
Oh, galing ng alteration
Wish this would be over now, but I know I still need you here.
Let's go.
You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one.
Ito, bridge part. Let's go.
I have loved you for many years. Maybe I am just not enough. Whoa, whoa, you made me realize my deepest fear by lying and tearing us so. You so crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done.
Okay.
But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one.
Very, very impressive yung vocals niya, no? But I can hear medyo kinabahan, okay? May konting kaba doon, but that's very, very normal, no? Kapag sa isang contest ay sumali ka tas hindi ka nakafeel ng konting kaba man lang, you're not normal, okay? That's not normal. Kahit yung sikat na mga artist nagko-concert, they still feel nervous, yet mas na-overwhelm sila sa excitement. Anyway, dito kay Albert, very impressive kasi at first hindi ko masabi na may ganun pala siyang tinatago sa boses niya. So very unpredictable sa akin yung range niya, yung style niya. Meron talaga siyang ibubuga, okay? So deserve niya, kung nanalo siya dito, deserve niya kasi meron naman talaga siyang ibubuga. But for some reason as well, hindi ko masyado na feel yung kanta. Maybe because he focused too much, para sa akin this is an honest opinion. He focused too much on giving us a very kind of, hindi naman like super flashy, pero maraming extra alterations na ginawa niya sa kanta ni Sam Smith, which I think sa kanya yon, interpretation niya yon, and that's how he feels to express the song, no? Pero para sa akin, parang nakafocus siya doon kesa sa ma-feel ko yung kanta. Okay? Yun yung nakulangan lang ako konti sa yung emosyon na dala nung kanta. Parang nawala kasi medyo, yun nga, may mga extra alterations akong narinig. But in terms of vocal technique and how he presented himself and the song, it was really great, impressive. Medyo nakulangan lang ako konti sa emosyon. Hindi naman emosyon. Nakita ko naman talaga yung emosyon niya na he tried to put enough emotion sa song. Pero for some reason, yung dating niya para sa akin, yung dumating sa akin, hindi masyado akong na-connect. Ganun lang siguro. Hindi ako masyadong na-connect doon. But, vocal-wise, ang galing. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.